Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the another type of function rule. Already we have seen W is a function of x and y. X and y are the function of a single variable. Then the previous class we have found dw by dt. Okay, so see the today's class. W of x comma y is a function of two variables x and y having partial derivatives dou w by dou x and dou w by dou y. If both variables x and y are the functions of s and t, okay, have partial derivatives with respect to both s and t, then you can write dou w by dou s and dou w by dou t. You see the diagram. W is a function of x and y. Your x and y are the functions of two variables s and t. Okay, in the previous class we have seen here W is a function of x and y. X is a function of single variable t. Now here x and y are the functions of two variables s and t. Okay, so W having the partial derivatives dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, and x also having the partial derivatives dou x by dou s and dou x by dou t. Y also the same way, dou y by dou s and dou y by dou t. Here all are having the partial derivatives. So from that we can find dou w by dou s separately and dou w by dou t separately. So here you are having two formula, dou w by dou s. You see that separately, this diagram I have written only for s. So w is a function of x and y. Now I have taken x and y are the function of s. About how you can go dou w by dou x into dou x by dou s plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou s. Only s is involving. So next formula, it is regarding with respect to t. But here w is a function of x and y is a function of t. How you can write dou w by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dt. So w is a function of x and y are the functions of another two variables, means we have to write fully partial derivatives and we can write two formula. Okay, so using this function rule, we are going to do the problem in the exercise 8.6. Okay, coming to the problem number 6. If z of x comma y, z is a function of x and y, x tan inverse of xy and x is equal to t square. Here on seeing this, it's a function of t only. But you look at your y is equal to s e power t. And s and t belongs to the real number. Okay, so y is a function of s and t. And you have to find dou z by dou s, partial derivatives, and dou z by dou t at s is equal to t is equal to 1. You consider what's the formula you can write? Dou z by dou s only. So dou z by dou x into dou x by dou s plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou s. Okay, so in the same way you have to differentiate z partially with respect to t, means z is a function of x and y. So first we have to go for dou z by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou t. So using the diagram we can write this formula. Okay, so whatever it is, first you consider z. It has to be differentiated partially with respect to x and then y. Okay, so here dou z by dou x, that means z has to be differentiated partially with respect to x. Okay, see that x here also you are having, and this inverse trigonometry function also you are having. So both are in the product, so we have to use the product rule. So product rule, first step, the u term has to be written as it is, and you are going to differentiate this. It is in the form of tan inverse of xy. So xy has to be taken as x. Okay, it is in the form of tan inverse of x. What's the differentiation of tan inverse of x with respect to x? It is 1 by 1 plus x squared. So 1 by 1 plus x squared. What is the x is kept? It is xy. So xy the whole squared. After that, which is kept as x, that has to be differentiated. But here when you differentiate, you have to differentiate partially with respect to x. So go for xy. How to differentiate x partially with respect to x? So first you have to find out the constant. What is the constant? Y. So y is written here, and what is remaining in the xy? X term. So if you differentiate x with respect to x is 1. So what I have completed, the product rule first term is over. Plus, next what you have to do, the second term is written as it is. So I have written as it is, tan inverse of xy. Next what you have to do, this u has to be differentiated. While you are differentiating, you have to do the partial differentiation now with respect to x. So the differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So that's why I didn't write here 1. Okay, so when you simplify, you will get this answer. So I have completed dou z by dou x. Next what I have to do, dou z by dou y. So z has to be differentiated partially with respect to y. Okay, you see that here, this is x. So y you are having only one term. Okay, so first while you are going for the partial differentiation, so first you have to search the constant. So here x is a constant, so x is written here, and then you have to differentiate tan inverse of xy. So it will be 1 by 1 plus x squared. After that what you have to do, this xy has to be differentiated. Now what you have to do, you have to differentiate partially with respect to y. But what is the constant here? X is a constant. What is remaining in that xy? It is y. So when you differentiate y with respect to y is 1. So x into x is x squared divided by 1 plus x squared y squared. So we have found dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. Next what you have to do, what is needed? Dou x by dou s and dou x by dou t. The same way dou y by dou s and dou y by dou t is needed. So you consider first x. What is x? X is equal to t squared. What is your x? X is equal to t squared. Okay, look at this. It's the problem 6th order continuation. So x is equal to t squared and y is equal to what it is? S e power t. Okay, so x has to be differentiated partially with respect to s. Here you see now. So here you will have, there is no s, you will have only t squared. Okay, t squared is a constant whose differentiation is 0. Okay, next you have to differentiate x partially with respect to t. So here no s, here t squared. If you differentiate with respect to t partially, it is 2t. Come to y, y is equal to s e power t. So first you have to differentiate y with respect to s. But what is a constant? T is the constant. So here e power t is a constant. So I have written as it is. What is remaining here? Yes. If you differentiate x partially with respect to x, s is 1. Okay. In the same way, dou y by dou t. What is a constant? Yes. So s is written, taken out. And what is remaining? E power t. What is the differentiation of e power t with respect to t? Is e power t. So we have completed all the partial differentiation. Okay, now we have to substitute in the formula. What is the first formula? What is asked? Dou z by dou s. Dou z by dou s. First you have to start dou z by dou x. So what is dou z by dou x? It is here. What is it? Xy divided by 1 plus x squared y squared plus tan inverse of xy. So here it is written. Okay, into what you have to write according to the formula, dou x by dou s. So what is dou x by dou s? That is 0. Okay, plus next dou z by dou y. So what is dou z by dou y? We have found it is x squared divided by 1 plus x squared y squared. So it is written here. Into what? Dou y by dou s. S. Here if you are having s means you have to write only the partial derivatives with respect to s. So it is e power t. Okay. So here you are having 0. So the first term will become 0. Here you have to write this term. So I have written. But you see that z you have to write in terms of s. Or t can be involved, but x and y should not be involved. So in the place of x, what you have to write? T squared. X squared means t squared the whole square, that is t power 4 e power t divided by x squared is t power 4. What is y squared? S squared e power t the whole square is e power 2t. It has to be evaluated when s is equal to t is equal to 1. So when you substitute, it is e divided by 1 plus e squared. So second result also you have to find what it is, dou z by dou t. Okay, so what is the formula? Dou z by dou t, dou z by dou x into dou x by dou t. Here you have to write dou x by dou s. If it is a t is asked means you have to write with respect to t. So look at the formula. What's the formula? See now, dou z by dou x. What is dou z by dou x? This term into dx by dou x by dou t, that is 2t. Okay, next dou z by dou y. It is written here into what is it? Dou y by dou t, that is dou y by dou t. Okay, so what you have to do? You have to eliminate x and y. So x and y has to be substituted. So in the place of x it is t squared. In the place of y, s e power t. Here what has to come? T squared. Y is s e power t the whole squared. Okay, tan inverse of what is x? X is t squared and y is s e power t into 2t plus here x, in the place of x what you have to substitute? T squared. So it is t power 4 divided by 1 plus, in the place of x what you have to do? T squared. In the place of y, s e power t the whole squared into s e power t. So you has to be evaluated, t is equal to s is equal to 1. So when you substitute here, you will have only e in the numerator divided by 1 plus e squared. So everything is 1, 1, e power 1. So e power 1 is e. So the whole squared is e squared. Here also tan inverse of e into 2 plus when you substitute here, t as 1 and s as 1, that is 1 divided by 1 plus e squared into e. So the 2 when you multiply, 2e by 1 plus e squared plus 2 tan inverse of e plus e divided by 1 plus e squared. So you see that had the first and the third term, it is 3e divided by 1 plus e squared plus 2 tan inverse of e. Okay, so that is dou z by dou t when s is equal to t is equal to 1. Come to the same way we have to go for the remaining problems. You see now, 7th problem. What is u? U is a function of x and y. Look at your x. X is a function of s and t. Y is also a function of s and t, where s comma t belongs to R. You have to find dou u by dou s separately and dou u by dou t and evaluate them at s is equal to t is equal to 1. The similar problem of the 6th one. So dou u by dou s, how you can write? U is a function of x and y. So first you have to go for dou u by dou x. Next dou x by dou s plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou s. Here dou u by dou t, how will you write? Dou u by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou t. So we have written the formula. If you want, you can use the diagram also. Consider the u function. So u is equal to what it is? E power x into sin y. So now what you have to do? You have to differentiate u partially with respect to x. So what is the constant? Y term is a constant. So sin y is a constant. So it is written out. Here what is remaining? E power x. What's the differentiation of e power x with respect to x is e power x. Next go for dou u by dou y. If you have to differentiate u partially with respect to y. That means x is a constant. So therefore e power x is a constant term. So it is written out. Next sin y has to be differentiated with respect to y is cos y. Okay. So take x is equal to st square. First what you have to find? Dou x by dou s. Then dou x by dou t. And similarly y is also a function of s and t. So first you have to find dou y by dou s and dou y by dou t. Go for here. See now x is equal to st squared. Dou x by dou s. So what is the constant? While you are going for the partial differentiation, first you have to take out the constant out. Then it will be easy for you to do the differentiation. So with respect to s you have to do. So what is the constant? T squared. T squared is written out. What is remaining here? Yes. So if you differentiate s with respect to x is 1. And go for dou x by dou t. T you have to differentiate with respect to t. What is the constant? S is a constant. S is written out. What is the differentiation of t squared? It is 2t. Go for y. Y is equal to s squared t. So dou y by dou s. What is the constant? T. T is written out. S squared differentiation is 2s. Next dou y by dou t. T you have to differentiate partially with respect to t. So s is a constant. So s squared is written out. The remaining is t. T, the differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. Next we have to substitute in the formula. So take the first formula. And what is this? Dou u by dou x into dou x by dou s plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou s. So if you substitute, see here you can it can be the terms can be involved s and t, but you should not have x and y. So x and y has to be substituted. So in the place of x you have to substitute what it is? St squared. In the place of y it is s squared t. Okay, so when you substitute and it has to be evaluated, s is equal to t is equal to 1. So when you substitute here it is e into 1. Here 1 into sine 1. So sine 1 plus 2 cos 1. In the same way dou u by dou t. What is the formula? Dou u by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou u by dou y into dou y by dou t. So it has to be substituted. And from these two terms e power x, s is common. So it is taken out. So the remaining is here. And x and y has to be substituted. So in the place of x, st squared, in the place of y, s squared t. And it has to be evaluated when s is equal to t is equal to 1. So you will get this answer. Okay, come to the problem number 8. So z is a function of x and y, where x and y is a function of s and t. So the same way you have to find dou z by dou s and dou z by dou t. Here the function is changed. In the previous problem you are having u, sixth problem you are having w, but here you are having z. Okay, consider the z. First dou z by dou x. See that here you are having two terms, in between you are having subtraction. So you have to differentiate one by one. Take the first term x cube. Here also has to be differentiated partially with respect to x. So it is 3x squared. Coming to the second term, so here x and y both are involving. So for that, while you are going for the differentiation, partial differentiation, you have to take the constant out. So minus 3 is a constant, also y cube. So minus 3y cube is taken out. About what is remaining? X squared. The differentiation of x squared with respect to x is 2x. Okay, so when you arrange, you will get this. So now we are going for the partial differentiation with respect to y. Okay, so look at the first term. It is x cube. So with respect to partial differentiation with respect to y means this is a constant. So whose differentiation is 0. And come to the second term. X, y both are involving. So first we have to collect the constant. Here what is the constant? Minus 3 is a constant, you know very well. Along with that, x squared is also constant. So it is taken out. What is remaining here? Y cube. What is the differentiation of y cube with respect to y is 3y squared. So when you arrange, you will get. Okay, take x. X is equal to what? X is equal to s e power t. Appo x is a function of s as well as t. So we can differentiate x partially with respect to s. So dou x by dou s and dou x by dou t we can go. The same way y also, dou y by dou s and dou y by dou t. Okay, go for the first one. Yes, with respect to s you have to differentiate partially. So which is the constant? T term is a constant. So e power t is a constant. So here what is remaining? Yes. So s with respect to s, the differentiation is 1. Okay. The same way take y. You have to differentiate y with respect to s. So e power minus t is a constant. So the remaining is s. S with respect to s, the differentiation is 1. Now we are going for t. So x has to be differentiated partially with respect to t means s is a constant. So that constant is written out. The remaining is e power t. The differentiation of e power t with respect to t is e power t. Come to here. S is a constant. So it is written out. And e power minus t, the differentiation is e power minus t and the power has to be differentiated. So the differentiation of minus t with respect to t is minus 1. That minus 1 we have written in the front. Okay, so all the partial derivatives as found, you have to substitute in the formula. So you have to write the formula correctly. So the first one implies, look at that. So it is, what is it? Dou z by dou x. This is dou x by dou s. This is dou z by dou y. This what? Dou y by dou s. So we have substituted. Okay, no common term. So here in this term, s, t you can have, but you should not have x and y. So x and y has to be substituted. What is x? X is nothing but s e power t. What is y? S e power minus t. So x squared means s squared e power 2t. Here x is written and y cube. So s cube e power minus t. So y cube means e power minus 3t into e power t. Minus in the place of x, this is s e power t the whole square, that is s squared e power 2t. In the place of y it is substituted. Okay, e power t into e power 2t is e power 3t. Here e power t into e power t is e power 2t. When you multiply with e power minus 3t, it is e power minus t. And here s into s cube is s power 4. So see now, s squared into s squared is s power 4. E power 2t, e power minus 2t getting cancelled. Here you are having e power minus t. So from all the terms, what is common? 3s squared. When you take it out, this is the remaining. So minus 2s squared e power minus t minus 3s squared e power t is minus 5s squared e power t. Okay, go to the second formula. What you have to do? It has to be dou z by dou t. So the formula will be dou z by dou x and dou x by dou t plus dou z by dou y into dou y by dou t. In the two terms mattum change agum. Here with respect to s, here with respect to t. And what you have to do? X and y has to be substituted. So when you substitute and you have to multiply the same way. So s e power t. Okay, when you multiply s squared into s is s cube. E power 2t into e power t is e power 3t. Here s cube, so s power 4 into s, so s power 5. E power t into e power t is e power 2t. Here e power minus 3t. When you calculate, it is e power minus t. The same way, s squared, here s. So it is s power 5. The minus into minus will become plus here. And you see that this and this getting cancelled. You are having e power minus t. So from all the terms, what is common? 3s cube. You are taking out, this will be the remainder. So when you calculate these two, it is s square e power minus t. You see that last term involving s and t. It does not have x and y. So for the calculation, you are having mark. Okay, so come to the 9th problem. See, look at that, the 9th problem. W is a function of x, y, z. 3 variables are involving. The 3 variables x and y, z are the functions of u and v. So where u and v belongs to R. Above find, what you can find? Dou w by dou u and dou w by dou v. Evaluate them at 1 by 2 comma 1. So first I am going to write w is a function of 3 variables. So first start with x, dou w by dou x into dou x by dou u plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou u plus dou w by dou z into dou z by dou u. So x, y, z. In the same way, here you are having with respect to v, you have to do. So dou w by dou x into dou x by dou v plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou v plus dou w by dou z into dou z by dou v. Okay, see, take the w. See the differentiation. You are going to differentiate w with respect to x. Okay, so here how many terms are involved? 3 terms are involved. Okay, look at, they are in plus. So go for differentiating each term separately. Look at the first term, x, y. So what you have to do? You have to take the constant out. What is the constant? Y. So when you differentiate x with respect to x is 1. So the first term differentiation is y. Come to the second term. So you are differentiating partially with respect to x. So what are the constants? Y and z are constant. So the whole second term fully constant whose differentiation is 0. Here x is involving. So the constant is z. The differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So y plus z. Come to dou w by dou y. You have to differentiate w partially with respect to y. So x, z are constant. Go to the first term. What is the constant? X. The differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. Come to here. Here y is involved. Z is a constant. So it is written out. The differentiation of y with respect to y is 1. So x plus z. Look at the third term. So both are constant whose differentiation is 0. Here I didn't mention. Dou w by dou z. Look at the first term. No z. So x and y are constant whose differentiation is 0. Here z is there. But what is the constant? Y. So y is taken out. The differentiation of z with respect to z is 1. So this term differentiation is y. And come to here. X is a constant. So it is written out. The differentiation of z with respect to z is 1. So you will get. Come to the next one. Take x. X is equal to u minus b. Okay. So x is a function of u and v. Y is also a function of u and v. Z is also a function of u and v. U and v. Okay. So dou x by dou u. You have to differentiate with respect to u, which is a constant. V is a constant. Come to the first term. It's a subtraction, isn't it? You have to go to the first term. The differentiation of u with respect to u is 1. And come to the second term, it's a constant. So whose differentiation is 0. The same way, come here. Dou y by dou u. V is a constant. So here it is a product. Here it's a subtraction. So I have differentiated. So first term and the second term. Here they are in the product. So if they are in the product, first you have to take the constant out. So what is the constant? V. So it is written out. So remaining is what? U. The differentiation of u with respect to u is 1. Come to here. Here it's a addition. So we have to differentiate separately, each term separately. Go to the first term u. So when you differentiate z with respect to u is 1. Go to the second term v. So v is a constant whose differentiation is 0. Now come to here. With respect to v we have to go. Which is a constant? U is a constant. So see the first term, it is u. So whose differentiation is 0. Come to the second term, it is minus v. So with respect to v, differentiation is minus 1. And it's a product. So you have to take the constant out. Which is a constant? U is taken out. The differentiation of v with respect to v is 1. And come to here. Go to the first term, it's a constant whose differentiation is 0. Go to the second term, v. When you differentiate v with respect to v is 1. So you have to be careful. The first and the z, x and z, or is the addition and subtraction. So you have to go each term separately. Here it's a product. So first you have to take the constant out, then the remaining has to be differentiated. After that you have to substitute in the formula. So I have substituted in the formula. So here what you should have? You should have only u and v. You should not have which one? So x and y, z. So y has to be substituted uv. Z is what? U plus v into 1. And here x is u minus v plus u plus v into b plus formula y is what? uv, x is u minus b. Okay, you look at that. The first term is written, that is ub plus u plus b. Here minus v and plus b getting cancelled. So u plus u is 2u into v is 2uv. Here you will get this. So uv terms paranga, uv, 2uv, 1uv. So totally how many? 4uv. And plus b minus b getting cancelled. How many u? 2u. So it is taken out. From these two terms, what is common? 2u is common. So when you take it out, it is 2v plus 1. So it has to be evaluated half and 1. So in the place of half, in the place of u, you have to substitute half. In the place of v, it has to be substituted 1. So when you substitute, your answer is 3. In the same way, you have to substitute in the next formula. Dou w by dou v. So dou w by dou x into dou x by dou v plus dou w by dou y into dou y by dou v plus dou w by dou z into dou z by dou v. And y and z has to be substituted. So everything should be in what? What is it? U and v. And see the calculation. Minus uv plus uv getting cancelled. Minus u plus u getting cancelled. So minus v is minus 2v. Along with that you are having 2u square. From these two terms, what is common? 2 into u square minus v. So which has to be evaluated? So dou w by dou v has to be evaluated at 1 by 2 comma 1. So in the place of u, you have to substitute 1 by 2. In the place of v, you have to substitute 1. So what is u? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 the whole square is 1 by 4. So 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1. When you take LCM, it is 1 minus 4 by 4. What is 1 minus 4? It is minus 3. And this 2 and 4 getting cancelled. So here you are having 2. So the answer is minus 3 by 2. Thank you, students.